Today's lesson is environment. The word environment is derived from the French word environner, meaning neighborhood. The major components of the environment: natural environment, human-made environment, human environment. Environment means the surroundings of the people. Example, school. The school has contained many classrooms and other infrastructural facilities. Along with the classrooms, science laboratory, computer laboratory, music room, sports room, etc. also there. In the school, students and teachers are also there. The four spheres of the environment. The first one is the air. The air is the part of the atmosphere. The atmosphere has contained the following three major parts. One is the gases, second one is the water vapor, and third one is the dust particles. The climatic conditions are maintained in the atmosphere. The other spheres are lithosphere. The hardest part of the earth is known as the lithosphere. Lithosphere has contained mountains, hills, plains and plateaus. You can see the different types of the minerals in the interior of the earth. Different types of plants and trees are also growing on the planet Earth. Human beings are living on the lithosphere. For this purpose, they constructed the different types of the homes. Water comes under the hydrosphere. This is the second sphere of the environment. All types of water resources together known as the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere includes freshwater resources, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds, tanks, glaciers, etc. It also have saltwater resources, salt lakes, seas and oceans. Ecosystem. Ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live. Through ecosystem, the food chain is also maintained in the ecosystem. Example for the ecosystems: desert ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, marine ecosystem, etc. Human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With the time, needs grow and became more varied. Humans learn new ways to use and change the environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animals, and led a settled life. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, and barter system came into existence. It is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, trade and commerce also developed well. Industrial revolution enabled large-scale production. Transportation became more faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. What are the four spheres of the environment? The first one is the lithosphere, the second one is the hydrosphere, third one is the atmosphere, fourth one is the biosphere. Biosphere means the living part of the earth. Living part of the earth. You can see different types of the living beings are there. The other three spheres of the environment means lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Pick the correct answers. Which is not a natural ecosystem? A. Desert, B. Aquarium, C. Forest. Aquarium. Which is not a component of the human environment? Land, religion, community. Land is the answer. And which is the human-made environment? Mountain, sea, road. And which is a threat to the environment? Growing population is a threat to the environment.